Hello everyone, I am Sneha Yadav, a civil engineer student of first semester from Eastern College of Engineering, Biratnagar. Here I like to present my short animation video on the theme of regarding of role of civil engineer on disaster management in current pandemic condition. Introduction of pandemic disease. We all are familiar with the globally captured pandemic disease called COVID-19. It is also called coronavirus. COVID-19 has a only single strand RNA, so it is able to rapidly mutate virus from person to person. It is a highly transmitted disease and it is rapidly transmitted all over the world. There is about more than 50 lakhs people are confirmed due to COVID-19 in the world, where more than about 3 lakhs become death and about more than 20 lakhs are recovered. As like that, we live in Nepal. We are Nepalese. In Nepal, there are also highly increased number of COVID-19 patients. In Nepal, there are about 400 people are confirmed of COVID-19, where 2 people are dead and about 30 are recovered. COVID-19 or coronavirus has originated from China. A person who is suffer from COVID-19 has common symptoms like other disease. Symptoms and prevention. Symptoms may appear in 2 to 14 days. Symptoms of COVID-19 are headache, fever, chills, muscle pain, sore throat, shortness of breath, etc. It is also prevented by taking high power of immunity food and as well as medicine, cleaning our homely surrounding and maintain our personal hygiene, washing our hands frequently and also used sanitizer to prevent from COVID-19. The algorithm is a lot faster than other algorithm that help predict the structure of a virus. So we prevent from coronavirus as much as ourselves because its medicine or vaccine isn't found out. Introduction of civil engineer. Here civil engineer played a various vital role in any pandemic condition. Civil engineer equipment can help make society more resilient in the fact of pandemic and other threats. In their day-to-day work, civil engineers play a vital role in the implementation of infrastructure resilience. Here, civil engineer managed by 5 technical roles. They are well-ventilated quarantine. Civil engineer can make well-ventilated quarantine which contain fresh air in place of air that has been used or contaminated and the coronavirus patient feel better to live in, likely homemade environment. Well-ventilated quarantine also play role in medicine or medical to oxygenate blood by exposure to air in the lungs. Civil engineer can make well ventilated quarantine by modern techniques and equipment. All people who suffer from COVID-19 that is kept in quarantine for betterment. Well managed road for way to quarantine or any other places. Well managed road is also important. Civil engineer easily made managed road which is suitable for transportation where doctor and medicine reached in their time and other people also gone in their destination place. During the time of pandemic condition, managed road play a vital role for people as well as their goods. They take off their important material like food, clothes and other basic needs in time. Design for safe quarantine. Place of safe quarantine can also play a vital role in pandemic disease. So civil engineer design for quarantine where it is good for all people. That place is to be chosen and how to made quarantine that is effective for all the people. Civil engineer design, construct, maintain and improve the physical environment. They are designed for quarantine how far from crowded area for safety of all people. Reconstruction and recovery. Old buildings are reconstructed and recovered by civil engineer for those people who are coming from foreign during the time of pandemic disease like COVID-19 because they have to higher chance of positive COVID-19, so they kept in separate building. If building is reconstructed and that people is coming from foreign and kept in separate place, there is very little chance to transmit corona for other outside people. WASH infrastructure. WASH stands for water and sanitary hygiene. Civil engineers have an important role to play in supporting the new global momentum in improving WASH infrastructure. The WASH engineer is responsible for leading the planning and implementation of water service improvement in urban area. During the time of pandemic condition like COVID-19, fast infrastructure is most important, and it is improved by civil engineer. Conclusion. Hence, at last we concluded that coronavirus a wake-up call for civil engineer, because it's faced with a pandemic such as we are confronting with the coronavirus, that we seem to wake up to the fact that the foundation of global health and other various sectors also. Thanks.